Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
I'm fine.
How are you all, my dear ones?
Fine, sir.
Okay, we have to
I'm
wait
fine,
till
thank
some
you.
more children are in the waiting room. We should wait for them. Alan Shaji, join with your video. Rebecca, switch on your video. Pavana, Anjida, come on, join with your video. Join with your video, everybody. Come on, my dear ones. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Good morning, children. Can you see my face?
Yes.
Am I audible to you?
Yes. Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Am I audible to you, my dear ones?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can anybody tell me which subject ma'am is going to take? EVS 1 or 2?
EVS 1.
This one. Wow, very good. Then, what is that subject? Is that your social science or science?
Science.
Science. Excellent. Now, everybody, come on, get up. I just want to see my all children in standing position. Come on, everybody, stand up. Stand up. All of you stand up. Hands up. Clap your hands. Hey. You all look so smart today. Had your breakfast?
Yes.
Everybody had your breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope.
Did you have your breakfast?
Yeah. I had my breakfast. Okay. Now, let me ask some questions from our previous class.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you give me the answer?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. There are some more children are in between. They are joining. Let me admit everyone. Okay. Now, can you see my face clearly?
Yes. Yes.
So what we have learned in our previous class? Who can tell me what we have learned in our previous class?
Organs.
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 What are organs? What are organs?
The parts of the body that help us to feel and important works are called organs.
And important work are called organs. Come on, there are some organs inside our body we have discussed in our previous class. What are the organs? What are the internal organs? The organs inside the body we have discussed already.
Food pipe.
Food pipe, then stomach,
Pipe.
windpipe,
Pipe.
come on, next,
Stomach.
lungs,
Lungs. Heart.
heart, we discussed. Okay, I just ask you to write and study some difficult words in your rough book. This time I want to see whether you have done your homework. Come on, will you show me?
Yes.
Yeah, just raise your rough book, everybody. Rough book or science notebook. I don't know where you are writing your homework. Come on, just raise your book and show me the homework. Show me the homework. Oh, very good, very good. I want to see. Come on. Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, who is Dibin James? Who It's joined with.
He
Oh,
is not in my class.
oh, it's not in our class. Who's Ibn James? Please exit. Please leave the meeting. You are not belonging to this class. Please leave the meeting. Others, everybody, show me homework. Fajis, switch on your video and join. Come on, Fajis. Why are you not your video? I want to see my kid's face. Okay, okay, very good. Good boy, good boy. Excellent, my Fajis. Penny. Okay, who has joined with the Redmi? Redmi Anjida. Is that Anjida? Okay, I like you all. All of you have done your homework. Meenakshi TS. My naughty. Come on, show me your homework, Meenakshi. Tenny, Aydin, Shiva, show me your homework, baby. Abigail, Joshua, Parvana. Okay. Ihan, show me a book, Monu. Okay, okay, very good, very good. Now, everybody keep your book, your rough book on the table. Everybody keep your rough book on the table. Clap for yourself, everybody. Clap for yourself. Then, who can tell me, I'm going to ask some question to you. Windpipe is just like a
Tube.
good. Everybody can unmute your audio and say the answer together. Okay, first of all, we will say the answer together. Then I'll ask one by one to say the answer. So, windpipe is just like a passes through the pipe passes through the very good. And when we breathe in air, the air passes through the windpipe and reaches the
Lungs.
okay. Where is our lungs?
Here.
Our inside our
Here.
chest. Come on, speak. Where is our lungs? Our chest. Repeat after me, everybody. Chest.
Chest.
All of you touch your chest and show me. Okay. Now my next question. Listen, everybody. There is one more important organ in our chest. What is that? Heart. Very good. What is the duty of our heart? It's like a our heart is just like a water pump. Heart is just like a
Water pump.
water pump pumps the
Water.
water. Very good. But our heart pumps the
Blood.
Our heart pumps the blood, and through which part of our body the blood will supply to all parts of our body? Through the
Heart.
blood vessels.
Through
Blood vessels. So, what is the size of our heart? What is the size of our heart? Fist. Very good. Can anybody spell the word fist?
Fist.
Fist. Can anybody? Okay, I think this time everybody together. Everybody unmute your audio and say the answer together. Then I'll ask one by one. Okay. Now, what spell it? Heart. Spell the word heart.
H-E-A-R-T.
H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Very good. Very good. Then, okay, excellent, my little ones. And spell the word lungs.
L-U-N-E-S.
L-U-N-E-S. Lungs. And let me tell you one thing, children. In the class, I cannot call everyone in a class. Okay. So don't feel bad about it. Okay. See, one thing you understood, children. I can see everybody's face, but is it possible for me to call everybody at a time?
No.
No.
Don't feel bad, okay?
Yes.
In between every class, I'll call one by one, okay? I hope understood, my children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One more thing, let me tell you, children. I like you all very much. Do you like me?
Yes.
Yes.
You have to study science. And what is the lesson now we are studying? Organs.
Organs.
All those points, the difficult terms we will discuss in our coming classes. I hope everybody have got your textbooks and workbook. How many of you got your textbook and the workbook? How many of you have collected your books from the school? Just raise your hands. Collect your textbook and workbooks from the school. Oh, very good, very good. Others, children, coming days, you have to come and collect it. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
It is very easy for you. When after the class also you can just go through the pictures and the sentences. It will be very easy for you if you have textbook with you. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Now we'll back to the lesson. What is the size of our heart? It's about fist. Okay. Our heart is just like a our heart is like a
Water pump.
water pump. The water pump pumps the water. Our heart pumps the blood. Our heart pumps the blood. Do you want to see the lungs? Should I draw the lungs on the board?
Yes.
We have how many lungs we have?
Two.
We have a pair of lungs in our chest. Do you want to see how does it look like?
Yes.
Right for you, babies?
Yes.
Wait. I'll share the screen for you.
Someone started drawing. Someone started to drawing.
Someone started to drawing.
Who is scribbling on the board? Can you see the whiteboard, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now ma'am is going to draw which organ for you? Windpipe and the lung. Windpipe and the lung. Everybody look at the board how ma'am is going to draw. Okay? Listen to the board. Yeah, I'm going to draw the lungs.
ഇതാരാ വരക്കണത്?
Ma'am.
We have two lungs. We have
Two lungs.
two lungs. This is not the exact one. See, children, I am not at all good in drawing. Anyway, I just tried it. Okay, you can also try this picture in your rough book. Okay, this is not the exact picture. I have just tried the picture. So, here is the windpipe. Here is the windpipe. W. Can anybody help me to write the spelling of windpipe?
Yes.
Yes.
P-I-P-E.
Windpipe. And here is the lung. L-U-E. How many lungs we have, children? Two lungs. Okay. There is. How many lungs we have?
Two.
Two lungs. We have a pair of lungs in our chest. Of lungs in our chest. Yes. Can you see the lung, children? The right lung and the left lung. How is Professor Ma'am's drawing? Not good. Huh? Sorry, children. Ma'am is not at all good for drawing. I can just draw the picture. Okay. Anyway, you can see the exact picture in your textbook. Okay.
Yes.
Now listen. Who's calling me in between? So, windpipe, when we breathe through our nose, the air passes through the windpipe and it reaches the lungs. Where is our lungs, children? In our
Chest.
in our
Chest.
chest. Shall I rub the board, children?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will back to the class. Now, can you see the board?
Yes.
No. Now, look at Faisal Ma'am's face. So, everybody understood the size of our lungs. A little bit everybody understood. Now, after my class, you can just go through the textbook. The exact picture is there in our textbook. Got it, children?
Yes.
Now, today, we are going to learn another important organ inside our body. Can anybody have any? Can you guess which organ today ma'am is going to teach you? Kidneys. Come on, repeat after me. Kidneys. Come on, say loudly. Kidneys. Loudly, loudly. Everybody unmute your audio and say the answer. Kidneys.
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 We have a pair of kidneys. We have a. And do you know the shape of our kidney? It is just like a bean. Bean shape. Okay, I will draw the picture for you. Now, everybody listen. Listen to Faiza ma'am's face. After that, I will draw the picture for you. Got it, everybody?
Yes.
We have a pair of kidneys. We have a pair of
Kidney.
kidneys. What is the shape of our kidneys, you know, children? It is bean shape. It is the shape of bean. Bean. All of you like to eat bean?
Yes.
Okay. And do you know what is the duty of kidney? Every organ inside our body have its own duty. Got it?
Yes.
All the organs inside our body have their own duty. They have to do their duty. Children, what is your duty? To study well. Am I right?
Yes.
Like that, our body also have many organs inside it, and each and every organ have its own duty. It has to do its own function. Then only our body will work properly. Otherwise, if one organ one day, it will think, oh, I'm so feeling so lazy. I'm not going to do any work for this body. What will happen? We may fall sick. Or one organ inside our body will say, hey, I'm feeling so tired. I don't want to work today. What will happen? Our body may fall. We fall sick. Got it? So each and every organ inside our body has to work properly. Then only we are very healthy. Okay?
Yes.
Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Our kidney also have its own function. What is the duty of our heart? It pumps the blood. What is the duty of our lungs? Help us in breathing. What is the duty of our stomach? It helps to break down the food that we eat. Like that, do you know what is the function of our kidneys? The kidneys, the waste in the body has to be removed regularly for the body. Huh? If one day, just imagine if your waste does not go properly, we may feel pain in our stomach, in our abdomen. Have to drink water properly. Some children, they are very lazy to drink the water nowadays. If it is raining season, so don't be lazy to drink the water. At least 8 glasses of water you must drink every day. Got it? The waste in the body has to be removed regularly. Then only our body will work smoothly. This is done by the organs of the excretory system. Excretory system, you may not understood now. Our kidney is the organ. It has the work. The kidneys keep our blood. Kidneys always keep our blood clean and helps in removing urine. Kidneys keep our blood clean. Okay? And
Yes, ma'am.
all the liquid waste from our body is urine. It has to go properly. So which organ in our body help us to pass our blood, purify, to clean our blood? Kidney. Purify our blood. Kidneys purify our blood and keep our blood clean. And the waste and help in removing urine. The liquid waste goes out of our body like urine. Now understood all of you?
Yes.
So what is the duty of our kidney, children? The kidneys, come on, repeat after me. The kidneys keep our blood clean and helps in removing urine. Urine. Okay, it has to go properly. Otherwise, we may feel pain. So you must drink water every day. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are we lazy to drink water?
No.
Lazy. We are not supposed to be lazy. Okay, you must drink enough water, what our body needs. Because our kidneys help to clean our blood and all the dirts, impurities, whatever get inside our body, that will remove through our urine. Got it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes.
Any doubt, children?
No.
Come on, tell me. The kidneys, repeat
The
after me. The
kidneys
keep our blood clean and helps in removing urine. Got it, children? I will draw the shape of the kidney for you. Okay, then you will understood. Ma'am has told you, no, kidneys are in which shape? It is just like a bee. It's like a bee. What is the duty of the kidney? What is the function of our kidney? Come on, tell me. Keep our blood clean.
Keep our blood clean.
Keep us
And clean and remove as all the dirts and impurities remove as urine. What is our liquid waste? Urine. Okay. Everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I repeat one more time for you?
Yes.
Today we discussed about the another internal organ in our body, kidneys. We have a pair of kidneys in our body. How many kidneys we have? Two. How many kidneys we have? What is the shape of the kidney? Bean. What is the shape of our kidney? Bean. Come on, say, speak everybody. I will draw it for you, then you will understand. Okay. What is the shape of our kidney? Bean. What is the duty of our kidney? Keeps our blood clean.
Blood clean.
Also helps all the waste, remove all the liquid waste, remove as urine.
All the liquid waste remove as urine.
Urine. Got it, all of you?
Yes.
Now you understood the importance of drinking enough water?
Yes.
From today onwards, you have to start drinking enough water. Then only our kidneys have to work. It has to do it properly. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we move to another important organ inside our body?
Yes.
That is brain. All of you touch your head. Brain. All of you touch your head. Brain. Touch your head, everybody. Okay, our brain is inside our head. Our brain is inside our
Head.
is the most important organ in our body. Is the most important. It helps us. It controls all the activities of our body. The brain controls all the activities of our body. When we are sleeping also, our brain is working. If anything happened to our brain, we cannot memorize. We cannot think properly. Brain help us to think and learn. And it controls all the actions of our body. Have you got it, children?
Yes.
Where is our brain? It is inside our
Head.
Touch your head, everybody. Touch your head. Okay. Do you want to see? So, what all things we have learned today? Kidneys, brain. What is the shape of our kidney? Kidney shape? Bean. What is the shape of our kidney? What is the duty, function of our kidney? What work does our kidney?
Make our blood
Keeps our
clean.
blood clean and helps in removing urine. Urine. Come on, say it, all of you. Removing urine. It all of you. Then what is the duty of our brain?
To think.
Help us to think. Come with action and say think. Learn. It controls all the activities of our body. Our brain, actions our brain, help us to learn, controls all the activities of our body?
All the activities of the body.
Is the most important organ in our body. Now, ma'am is going to draw the kidneys. Do you want to see the kidneys?
Yes.
Yes.
Come on, I'll share the screen. Who is drawing on my screen? Children, don't scribble on the screen. Now, everybody look at the board. Here, ma'am is going to draw the shape of kidneys for you. How many kidneys we have? Come on, say.
Two.
Not the exact figure. Anyway, just draw it for you. Wait. I can hear some parents are talking in between. Please don't disturb the children. Please move out of the room. I can hear your noise very well.
Roaming to Amar Moto.
Our kidneys shape of bean. Bean shape. These are bean shape. What is the shape of our kidneys, children? Have you all understood, children?
Yes.
Kidneys. K-I-N-I-S. Kidneys. Got it, all of you? Now? No need of writing. Okay. That after the class, I'll send through the WhatsApp. Okay. Now everybody look at the board and listen and study. This is the shape of our kidney. The shape of our what is the shape of our kidney, children? Bean shape. What is the shape of our kidney? Bean shape. Can you see? It is just like two beans, right?
Yes.
What is the shape of our kidneys? Bean shape. So today we learned about kidneys. Kidneys. What is the duty of kidneys, children? Help keep our blood clean and helps in removing urine. Then what is another important organ we learned today? Brain. Come on, speak everybody.
Brain.
Brain is inside our head. It helps us to think
Control our body.
Learn. Controls all the
body.
activities of our body. Okay. The brain, I will draw it for you the coming class. Okay.
Yes.
I'm going to rub the board. Now listen, our time is over. So today we learned about kidneys and the brain. Okay. I'll send the notes through the WhatsApp. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope everybody understood the lesson well. Everybody understood, children?
Yes.
I like you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, make your smile.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you,
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
I love you, my sweeties.
Love you.